In this guide, you'll learn how to file more than 5 tax returns using TurboTax. If you have hit the limit on TurboTax Online or just need to file more returns than the platform typically allows, I have got you covered. First, let's clarify the TurboTax Online filing limits. With TurboTax Online, you can only file one federal tax return per account. However, you can file up to 5 state returns tied to that one federal return. But if you need to file for multiple people, let's say you need to file for more than 5 returns total, you will have to use multiple TurboTax accounts. Since TurboTax Online only allows for one federal return per account, you can create a new TurboTax account for each additional return you need to file. This means for each person or tax situation, you will need a unique account. You can use the same email address across multiple accounts, but each account must have a different user ID. So if you need to file for 6 or more people, just create 6 separate TurboTax accounts, each with its own unique user ID. This will allow you to file multiple returns across different accounts. TurboTax gives you the flexibility to manage these separate accounts as long as they are distinct. Now, if you're looking to file for multiple people and want to avoid creating several accounts, TurboTax Desktop is an option you might want to consider. With the desktop version, you can file up to 5 federal returns with a single purchase, and you can file multiple state returns with each of those federal returns. If you need to file more than 5 federal returns, simply purchase another TurboTax Desktop license. There is no limit to the number of returns you can file as long as you are using a separate license for each batch of 5 returns. To summarize, TurboTax Online allows you to file one federal return per account and up to 5 state returns. If you need to file more than 5 returns, you'll need to create separate accounts. On the other hand, TurboTax Desktop allows you to file up to 5 federal returns per license, and you can purchase multiple licenses to file for more. For professional tax filers, TurboTax Business may be the solution. And that's it. If guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.